In this video, you'll learn how to use the Spotlight widget on your Smartboard GX V4 display to highlight what matters most during your presentation. First, open the widget menu from the side toolbar and select the three dots and then the Spotlight icon. The Spotlight widget appears, a movable highlight you can use to draw attention. Access additional options for the Spotlight tool by selecting the Settings button. The Zoom option will adjust the size of the spotlight. The Clarity option will adjust the intensity of the spotlight. When you're done, tap the Exit icon to exit Spotlight and return to your full screen. If you'd like to see more videos like this or discover how Smart provides support that goes beyond the purchase, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.